Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the different types of network cables that form the backbone of digital communication. Let's start with Cat5 cable. It was widely used in older networks and supports speeds up to 100 megabits per second. It's still suitable for basic home networking setups. Next, we have Cat6, an upgrade from Cat5. It supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and even 10 gigabits per second over short distances. A great choice for modern professional networks. Now let's talk about fiber optic cables. Instead of using electrical signals, it transmits data through light. It offers ultra-high speed and complete immunity to electromagnetic interference. It's ideal for data centers and long-distance communication. Next, we'll cover coaxial cable, used for cable television and internet connections.
Coaxial cables are still used today in cable TV systems and security setups. Thanks to their special shielding, they're resistant to interference and maintain signal quality over longer distances. Thanks for your watching, and please subscribe.